Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best ridiculously cool tech gifts in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Ditoo Retro Pixel Art Game Bluetooth Speaker with 16x16 LED app-controlled front screen. Think fun gadget to kill boredom at home. Easy to create pixel art design at your fingertip, or you can access over 1,000 plus designer in our free pixel art community from our Ditoo app. You can chat, comment, and make friends with other artists. Cute Bluetooth speaker with DIY equalizer. Well-tuned 10W DSP speaker and your pixel art design will play and dance to the equalizer. Isn't it fun and cool? It is so the kawaii accessories and great for gaming setups. Smile maker, so absorbs and fun to play with. This little gadget helps to brighten your mood when you are stuck at home. You can use the Bluetooth capabilities to stream your Spotify music through, and it actually sounds really good. Also great for an online yoga class on Zoom to better hear your yogi instructor. Smart alarm/clock for a good sleep. You can leave it plugged in to use as a table clock or bedside alarm. Number 2. Beberd Note 3 Pro Earwax Remover Endoscope Cleaner Pick Kit with Camera. Wireless earwax removal otoscope with tweezer and tip compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android smartphones. White. 3.7mm safety lens diameter smart vision earwax removal kit. Unlike traditional blind ear cleaners, Beberd N3 Pro Ear Cleaner with Camera can display stable and clear earwax images inside the ears in real time. You can easily find and remove earwax without hurting your ears. The 3.7mm lens diameter is also very suitable for the ears, and it will not be too wide to harm the ears. Dual mode earwax removal tweezers mode. High precision and reliable micro-mechanical arm. Tweezers head covered with rubber, open and close degree protection system. To deal with complex foreign bodies in the ear canal, ear picker mode. Number 1. Yescom App Control Hexagon LED Lights 10-pack Wi-Fi Wall Hex Light Gaming Room Bedroom Decor Work with Alexa Google. Wall-mounted and tabletop use. Smart Hexagon Light Kit comes with 10 LED blocks, 1 tabletop base, and 10 wall-mounting bases for flexible tabletop or wall-mounted usage. And every block can be spliced together to form various shapes for gorgeous ambience, creating unique mood lighting for different occasions. Voice control and sound activation. Works with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home for automatic turning on/off, brightness control, and DIY customizable settings via the app in your phone or tablet, along with sound activation for dynamic effect that allowing lights to dance along with music for an immersive experience. Customizable lighting effects. 19 LEDs per block provides 16 million colors and features selection between 3 color modes, including selected, dynamic, or customized, allowing you to customize unique ambient lighting, creating different atmospheres for various occasions.